Welcome to my channel. Canon G2010G3010 Red Light Blinking Fix Easy Printer Error Repair. First, identify the blink pattern. Count how many times the red light blinks to understand the error type. Second, power reset the printer, turn off, unplug, wait 2 minutes, and restart the printer. Third, clean ink absorber pads. Use tissue to absorb excess ink from the pad near the cartridge area. Fourth, enter service mode. Use button combinations to enter service mode for reset. Fifth, use Canon Service Tool software. Connect to PC and reset ink absorber using the service tool. Sixth, refill ink tanks. Low ink can trigger blinking refill to the recommended level. Seventh, remove paper jam. Open covers and gently pull out any jammed paper. Eighth, update printer driver. Install the latest driver from Canon's website for stability. Ninth, factory reset the printer. Use button combo to reset printer settings to default. Thank you for watching.